Alright, back over here at Inspiration Nation HQ. I'm a little late today, but you know, it is what it is. I'm working on Amy's car, Amy's race car, trying to reduce some weight on it. So yeah, let's get to it. So what are we doing right now, Barry?
Stripping weight, and we're nut bolt checking the entire endurance car. And we got the okay from our fearless leader to put the old girl on a diet. So she's in the extreme Jenny Craig diet thing going right now. And we're gutting the trunk, we're gutting all the doors, we're gonna put plexi in the rear windows and try to get as much weight as we can. And Steve is replacing the radiator support, and we're trying to steal any little bit of weight that we possibly can. We gotta make it lighter. Cheap horsepower. Lightweight.
Next step, cutting some holes out of this. Don't tell Amy.
Transmission on the power.
We're gonna cut some holes out of here, get a little more weight reduction out of the front mount there.
Wow, do you need one?
Yeah, this one of the little brackets is.
Slap that on there. What are we working with? Another 3.2 pounds taken out. Not bad.
It's crazy. So, what was it, 14 pounds? 13 point what?
13.8.
13.8 pounds in just door rubbers.
That's a lot of rubber.
Now, if you're wondering, we're going to take a section and cut 4 6-inch pieces for each door to keep the rattle out of the door. But 13 pounds in just freaking door rubbers. This car is going to be lightweight. 5.2
5.2.
in just the mechanics of the door.
That's crazy.
We still got to pull the glass. We still got to check the glass. Should I cut that end off? Yeah, probably.
Let me see. I got it. I got a bolt. Okay.
4.8.
All right, so plexiglass inserts for the rear look to be about 4.8 pounds. We are adding back to the car. Yeah, I love that mask.
I hate it. But
really?
When you're doing aluminum, I'm not going to take any chance.
I thought you loved it when you first got it.
Yeah, I did.
Does it fog
But
up?
It fogs up.
Oh, yeah.
What's that? Hold on. Lining up. Oh, it's not. It's too far to the side.
Yeah. Trunk bucket. And that's how much weight we cut out of the trunk. This is the trunk after we've cut it and gut it, and it has lost about 6.2 pounds. So 6.2 pounds don't sound like a lot, but it starts to add up, especially when we still have 4 doors and all the glass to go.
All right, here's some numbers we're looking at so far. Trunk's been about 6 pounds. Rear door and front door rubbers, 3.2, 3.7, so about 14 pounds total. We got the rear door metal, rear door glass, 6.2 pounds, 7.5 pounds, so around 27 pounds, 28 pounds total for that. And the front bumper support metal is about 3.2 pounds so far.
Would you include? I still got all the door lock stuff we put.
Because that's
That's
That's pretty heavy right there. You just
That's a lot of weight.
Wait.
Front windows out.
11.4. 11.4.
11.4. And front glass is about 7 pounds. Yep.
7 pounds on the glass.
Front glass is weighing out about 7 pounds piece, so that's 14 total. Front door metal that we've deleted so far came out to 11.4 pounds, rough, 22.8 total, so 36.8 pounds removed just from the front.
I can tell you how good I felt when I lost 40 pounds.
Should be fine with that.
4.2.
I was close.
4.3. We'll call that 4.3.
4.3. There you go.
4.3.
And that came out to 4.3 pounds. Nice.
All right, so the numbers are in. The Volkswagen is ready to go. It's ready to be put in the trailer and set off to the race, but the final number is in. The overall weight loss on the car this go around was 110 pounds. I was able to pull 110 pounds out of the car. It's actually a little bit more, but we had to add back in weight for the Lexan and stuff that we put back in the car. But we lost 110 pounds. And my favorite thing, we added air conditioning. Oh yeah. I'm not even gonna lie, I'm super proud of myself about cutting this and making it a little flappy. It looks awesome. Never mind the dirty window, the car needs to be washed down, but nothing says race car like Lexan windows and air intakes. And pull string trunk.